Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be on a huge lingerie haul. तो मेरा जो parcel है Clovia से वो आ चुका है and we are going to unbox and unpack this together because I've been getting a lot of requests for unboxing and unpacking. So ये parcel आज ही आया है and I'm super excited to check out all of the products because मैंने बहुत सारे इस बार products मंगवाए हैं as usual because I love shopping from Clovia. Also Clovia पे चल रहा है उनका super power lingerie सेल जिसमें आपको up to 50% ऑफ मिल जाएगा. The sale has started on 29th of June and it's valid till 16th of July. So इस सेल के दौरान you'll get a lot of discount on lingeries, activewear, shapewear, sports bras, etc. And you have some amazing offers like 4 bras for 899 rupees. Another offer is 4 bras for 1099. With it you also get offers like 4 panties for 499 rupees and also you have free shipping over 299 रुपीज़. एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं अगर आपको कुछ ढंग से फिट नहीं हो रहा, यू वांट रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज, तो देयर इज़ लाइक फ्री रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज ऑल्सो. 100% प्राइवेसी भी है एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ माई कूपन कोड दैट इज़ RIA25 टू गेट एडिशनल डिस्काउंट ऑन ऑल ऑफ दीज अमेजिंग ऑफर्स. सो आई कांट वेट टू शो यर वॉट एवर आई हैव गॉट. सो जो भी प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द हॉल. सो द फर्स्ट वन आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू ऑल इज़ दिस बॉक्स. मैंने बस बॉक्स ओपन किया है, बाकी मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स जो है मेरे वैसे के वैसे ही है. सो आई विल जस्ट लाइक probably cut these products and then let's just unpack them together. So the first one that I've ordered is like I would be showing you all of the mismatched sets that I got. अगर आपको सेट में लेना है तो definitely you can go ahead because बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable होता है and also Clovia पे बहुत अच्छी quality के lingerie मिलता है. So the first one that I've got is this one and this as you can see that it is a padded bra. It has like light pads. I really like wearing light pads, not heavy pads. And इसमें आपको पूरे पे lingerie पे lace work मिल जाएगा. It also has like lace panels over here which looks absolutely pretty. The side panel is also really nice. This is made of mesh but it is really good quality mesh that's going to give you really nice support. So since this is a lacy bra, you can definitely go ahead and buy this as a bridal bra because it looks really nice. The quality is really good and plus it's absolutely affordable. With this I got these like panties and you can see that both are maroon in color. ये हल्का सा dark है but it's mesh, तो दोनों साथ में अगर आप wear करोगे तो ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलेगा. So I've got this one in an offer. तो offer था 499 में 4 panties and also I've got this maroon one as well which of course this can be worn together. So इसमें बिल्कुल pads नहीं है but it has like a very thick cloth. So definitely you can wear this as a not a t-shirt bra but I would say like underneath kurtis or blouses. So ये कुछ इस टाइप से and this is also lacy as you can see and it has like a really nice quality lace and यहाँ पे भी side panels में भी देखोगे it has a very pretty lace. It has a thin strap and the strap is also very comfortable. So this is what I got. First of all ये मेरा maroon color का set है and second of all I got this one. So I really love the color. This is a really nice turquoise color and lacy bras में बहुत सारे options थे so I went ahead and got this one. This also has like really light and soft pads and इसमें आप देख सकते हैं that there's like again mesh work going on and there's mesh work over here as well. The quality is really good and it is thicker than the other meshes that you see out there. So ये कुछ इस टाइप से है and it looks very comfortable and वैसे भी Clovia के ब्रास बहुत comfortable होते हैं. So इसके साथ साथ I got this one. It kind of matches with this even though it's yellow. It has a lot of like blue in it. So this is 100% cotton and which is great like for hygiene purposes. So this is what I got to match with this one and I thought that this looks really cute. उसके बाद I got another blue one but this is kind of navy like cobalt blue. If you can see it's a little like dark and ये जितने भी बाकी सारे मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं this does not have underwire but this one does have underwire. I'm so sorry I forgot to mention. So इसमें इसके जो pads है ये हल्के से thick है towards the like bust area and ऊपर से ये थोड़े से light है. So ये कुछ इस type से है and it also has like an underwire like I mentioned and you can see that the combination is is really pretty. It has like accents of gold over here, and plus this is entirely like again lacy, so again can be worn like a bridal bra or you know normally भी आप definitely से purchase कर सकते हैं. And it also has a really nice mesh. The mesh quality is really good because it's like double layering. So इसके साथ I have ordered this one, and then this is what I got. Again, this is 100% cotton, and I think that this matches really well with this. It is a little bit like bright, but again you can't make a lot of difference. So कैमरा पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, but in person ये almost same लग रहा है. So it also has like piping of red. तो इस टाइप के आपको काफ़ी सारे मिल जाएंगे. If you really want to match and buy your lingerie, आपको plain वाले panties बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे Clovia पे. So again I went with a really nice lacy bra, and this time I picked up all lacy bras because they had a really nice collection of lacy bras and I could not resist. Definitely you can check out their simple bras as well. So I got this really nice red color because बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था, and it again has like lace, but the lace quality and material is absolutely fine. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है, and plus it has this detailing over here. इसका जो mesh and net का material है काफ़ी ज़्यादा different है. So all of the bras that I've shown, उनका सबका design different है and the quality is really good. So इसमें भी आपको light padding मिल जाएगी overall, and this does not have any kind of underwire. And इसके साथ साथ again I've got this like really nice red color panty to match with this. So this is kind of like silk. ये जो portion है ये silk का है, and ये वाला जो portion है ये cotton का है. Again it's like super comfortable to wear. So this is what I got together. And again इस type के आपको plain वाले panties बहुत सारी मिल जाएंगी Clovia पे to match with your undergarment. And the last bra that I got is this one. Again I really loved it, and I feel like y'all are gonna like it too. So this is how it looks like. ये hot pink के साथ black का combination है जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है. All of this is again light padding. It does not have any kind of underwire. So for the people who wear underwire, you can first you can choose from the first two options, and who the people who do not like wearing underwire would go with something like this. You can definitely customize the filter section over there. And इसका जो लेस आप देख सकते हैं बहुत pretty है, and ये वाला जो लेस है इसमें आपको छोटे छोटे frills मिल जाएंगे जो कि बहुत pretty लग रहा है. So इसके साथ तो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिया because इसके साथ normally black panties and all आप definitely purchase कर सकते हैं, but with the red I have something like this that you can buy जो कि red and black के combination में है. So this is how it is, and again this is also cotton, so you can definitely go ahead and buy something like this. And these were really affordable even if you wanted to buy these on their own. like अगर एक भी purchase करना हो तो I think 150-180 के हिसाब से ये थे, तो बहुत affordable था, and the quality is also really good. And the last 3 products that I've got are these night suits. So ये night suit मैंने लिए हैं. अभी थोड़ा बहुत ठंड बढ़ने लगा है, तो you can definitely go for something that's full sleeves, but I like wearing like shorts and all at home, तो इसीलिए मैंने ये लिया है. So I got this, and it's a really pretty green color, and आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें छोटे छोटे like इस टाइप के frills दे रखे हैं. There's this like I don't know what this is, like I think this is a female balancing the sun and the moon. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty है, and again this is 100% cotton. and इसके साथ साथ you get these shorts जिसमें pockets available है. so ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे quality का है, and no matter how much you wash them the color does not fade, and मतलब जो shape है वो बिल्कुल मतलब बिगड़ता नहीं है. so I really like shopping from Clovia. so next I got this one in black, and इतना ज़्यादा shopping मैं Clovia से करती हूँ, but I did not have any black night suit because whenever it comes to choosing night suits I really like choosing different colors. so first time मैंने ये black night suit लिया है, and then again you have this like pattern over here. I feel like this is their zodiac design, I believe ऐसे ही कुछ तो चल रहा था Clovia पे, वो भी आप check कर सकते हैं. and sleeves के लिए you will have like short sleeves. this is also 100% cotton. I got this one in medium size, and then shorts के लिए इसके shorts कुछ इस टाइप के हैं, and इसमें भी pockets आपको मिल जाएंगे, and it has this like really nice lace design over here which looks really pretty, and drawstring भी है इसका. so ये मैंने लिया. and the last one that I got, I could not resist this like deep yellow color. तो ये मैंने लिया है एंड आई एम इन लव विद द कलर सो प्रिटी. सो ये मैंने लिया है अगेन मीडियम साइज में. इट हैज़ दिस डिज़ाइन ऑफ एक सिंपल सा बटरफ्लाई है. द टी शर्ट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली सिंपल एंड अगेन 100% कॉटन. दीज आर नॉट ट्रांसपेरेंट एट ऑल. एंड इसके साथ साथ शॉर्ट्स में आपको इस टाइप के शॉर्ट्स मिल जाएंगे जो बहुत क्यूट है. इसका कॉम्बिनेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. इसमें आपको पॉकेट्स मिल जाएंगे एंड अगेन लाइक द पैटर्न इज अ लिटिल बिट लूज एंड मीडियम साइज में मैंने लिया है. तो दोज वर ऑल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई गॉट. एंड क्लोविया पे जो सुपर पावर लॉन्जरी सेल है वो स्टार्ट हो चुका है एंड 16 जुलाई तक है, जहाँ पे आपको अप टू 50% ऑफ मिल जाएगा. प्लस यू हैव सम अमेजिंग ऑफर्स जो कि मैं आप लोगों को दोबारा से रिपीट करती हूँ कि 4 ब्रास फॉर 899 रुपीज़, अगेन 4 ब्रास फॉर 1099, पैंटीज 4 again for 499 rupees, plus there's free shipping, free return. You can use my code that is RIA25 and you can check out their wide variety of collection जिसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. So all of the links will be in the description box. Definitely go ahead and shop your essentials from Clovia. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.